going back, looking in the mirror, if you see your neck tightening when you're going up higher, it's giving you, your body is giving you a signal, hey, can you please tighten your stomach instead? And that's really one of the reasons, even when you first come to lessons with me, is to get into breathing and make sure that this is working for you, because I know you do, you do crazy hours, like you do 10 hours a day sometimes of teaching, and just
hello, my Tuesday and Thursday students, I love you so much.
Insane hours. But the whole thing is that the big thing even with me and with you as well, so like I've got massive days on Wednesdays, is we're teaching the same technique that we practice and use. You know, like I teach 10 hours on the Wednesday sometimes, and if my voice isn't in good shape and I didn't get enough rest the night before, my 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock guys aren't going to get the value that they should, and they deserve just as much value as what my 12 o'clock and 1 o'clock guys do as well too. So, and my voice is never ever fatiguing, because I'm always using this all the time. Cool.
Exactly.
Guys, we'll see you singing, hopefully up on stage. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below, or get in contact with us on any social media, and we'll be sure to get back to any of your questions. If we think the question is a ripper, we will make a video for you. Signing off. Thanks, Sam. High five.
Woo!
See you guys.
Talk soon.
Bye-bye.